Hey guys, my name is Daisy Santillan. I post fashion and makeup videos, so if you are interested in that, please subscribe. And yeah, let's get into the video. So today I have a little quarantine thrift haul. Before you guys get mad at me, I see y'all been going at the beaches. I see y'all doing all that shit. So don't come at me for going to the thrift store, okay? Your girl has gained some pounds and I just want cute clothes that fit me. So, and yeah, before you ask, yes, I am from Texas, okay? Mainly, one of the main reasons I wanted to go to the thrift store was because honestly, I've gained weight and a lot of my clothes like just don't fit. Not because of the quarantine, like prior to the quarantine, I already was gaining weight, but yeah, I just been wanting some cute clothes that actually fit and I'm like not squeezing into. But yeah, I feel like I got some really good deals, so let's get into it. This was like one of my favorite finds. It's this Guess shirt. But you guys, look how cute that cutout is. I kind of like it because I feel like it looks kind of old vibey. Like if you see right here, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I feel like that's very like old schooly time like logo type of thing. But since it's getting hot over here, you know, I want some color in my wardrobe. So when I saw this, I thought, oh my gosh, like so cute. What really got me was this cutout. I haven't tried it on yet, but I'm gonna show you guys right now. But I'm assuming it's gonna look so cute. I feel like this is so, I don't know if this is old or new, but I don't know, I just thought it was really cute. It's a medium, and yeah, I think it was like 50% off white tags, and I think almost everything I got was a white tag, so I got it for super cheap. Everything that I bought was either $2 or less. So yeah, I just thought that was so cute. I love the color and I'm so excited to wear it. And I didn't get a lot of stuff just because it was my first time going into like a store rather than the grocery store, so we kind of just wanted to go in and out. We really weren't trying to stay in there for too long. But it actually was not as busy as I thought it would be, so yeah. Okay, so this one I kind of took a chance on. It's this like off the shoulder like white, I'm not sure if you can tell, but it kind of has like this iridescent like material going on. If the camera shows it, you can see right here. But yeah, it's from Forever 21, so it's like not the best quality. I did try this one on earlier, but you'll see right here in the video. Yeah, it's just like one full elastic band. So these aren't like the best for staying on how they should. If you ever had a top like this, you know they easily start to go like right up like this. But I don't know, I thought it was cute. I don't really have that much dress up clothing. Honestly, I feel like I don't have like that many clothes. Like I feel like they either don't fit or I just don't like the style, or I don't know. I just don't feel like I have enough clothes right now. I know every girl's like problem. But yeah, I thought it'd be really cute, like more of a dressy top, like maybe with, I don't know, like a cute skirt, a denim skirt. I feel like that'd be cute. I just thought it looked a little bit more dressy, and I think this was literally like $1 or less. So I was like, why not? Let me just try it out. Okay, this next top isn't anything crazy, but I just thought it was cute. I mainly envisioned this for when I go to the lake. And it's just this white, like, I don't know what it is, cotton, like this white cotton top. As you can tell, it's like kind of like see-through. But what really got me was sleeves, because they're kind of like weird. What really got me was the back, because it has this little tie, kind of wrinkly right now. Really like that little design. That's what made me get it. Like I said, everything was like $2. It was like $2 or less. And so I just thought this would be a cute shirt for like when you go to the lake and like you have your swimsuit under, so it doesn't really like matter if your clothes show or not. Yeah, I just thought they'd be cute with like some denim shorts. Also, I barely have any shorts, and like I live in Texas, so like what the hell, like that's not good. So I was looking for some shorts. I did find some. I found these Old Navy ones. I think these were like $2, maybe $3. I think these were like the only things that were more than like $2, but they do fit well. They are more of a longer short. I'm still kind of debating whether I want to cut them up or not. I just I don't know. I kind of feel like these might be the shorts where like I use for like family occasions, you know, because not all, like, I don't really want to be showing everything when I'm with my family, so I might just keep them like that. I mean, it's Old Navy. I feel like they have pretty basic stuff, so, but for the price, you can't beat it. So next thing is actually the top I'm wearing right now, which I really was excited about. It's in a large, and it's actually from Charlotte Russe, RIP Charlotte Russe. Or actually, are they still back? I don't even know, but basically I got this top. Yeah, it's like a wraparound. So it has this like long strap and you wrap it. You can do like whatever you want to it. But yeah, this was on sale. Oh my god. I'm sorry if I'm nipping. I don't have the right bra, so right now I'm not wearing a bra, so I'm so sorry. But anyways, yeah, it has like these little straps, which I really enjoy. And then a little flowy, you know, off the shoulder moment. I do think it's super cute. It's like a little like beigey tan color. And like I said, I don't really have that many like going out clothes, so I feel like this is a good in between. Like it's not super going out, but it's a little, you know, better than a t-shirt. So I really like that. I was like, yeah, I was kind of shocked that it was on sale, but I guess, I don't know, I guess nobody wanted it, but I did and I really enjoyed it. So I am glad I got it. Oh my, and for the final thing, I'm gonna show some other things, but they're not from the thrift store. But anyways, my favorite find from that day was this skirt, which I'm so excited about. So I don't know like if this is a good brand or not, but the brand on the tag says Native Daughters, and this is actually a small, which like your girl is not a small anymore, but it actually did fit me. And it's this leopard, or like, no, it's like snake skin, which I am so excited about. I've been wanting a skirt like this. I freaking love the print. I love that it's like brownie nude. Whenever I see this, like I immediately envisioned like a white crop tee, maybe like wrapped in the front, and then like some white sneakers and like some like black shades. Like I know that's basic, like I haven't worn an outfit like that, so I'm really excited to. I feel like this is what like the cool effortless girl would wear like at school. Like this actually reminds me of my friend Diana, shout out if you're watching this. I feel like she would wear something like this. But yeah, I just really like it because I feel like it's one of those pieces too where, like I said, you just throw on a t-shirt, maybe a denim jacket, and it looks like you really tried, but like you just put on a skirt. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. So for this next part, they're not thrifted, but I wanted to show them anyways because I thought they were cute. So the first thing is they're actually all from Walmart, so shout out Walmart. But I basically got these because of TikTok. If you're not on TikTok, I don't know how you're not, because like it's like the thing right now. But with that being said, follow me on TikTok because I do be posting almost every day. So but anyways, if you are on TikTok, you would know that these George jeans, like the brand George, has been trending on TikTok. They're $10 jeans from Walmart, and they're actually a men's jeans, but they've been trending because they're only $10 and they're like high-waisted. And so I felt like I had to get them because, like I said, my jeans kind of fit like really tight right now, so I really wanted to try these out because again, like they're $10. Like when are you gonna get $10 jeans? And especially them being $10 and like highly accessible to everyone, like yeah. And actually when I went, there really weren't that many, at least in my size. I didn't feel like I saw a lot. So I don't know if it's always like that or if it's because of this TikTok trend of like everybody wanting to buy it. But yeah, I got this like light wash, and I got this size 29 by 32. Honestly, I don't know the sizes. I just like do that neck thing. If you ever done that neck thing, like when you go like this, it actually works. So I know it looks stupid, but obviously they're not letting people try stuff in the fitting room. So if you don't know if something's gonna fit you, at least around the waist, like do it like this. It'll give you a good measure if it's gonna fit or not. Yeah, so it actually ended up fitting and I'm pretty excited. I actually want to get more and DIY them. This one I did not plan to get. Me and my sister saw them and they are really cute. So they're these little tank tops. They were legit like $2 or $3. There was this tan color that was super pretty, but all of the mediums were gone, so I think people obviously really like them. But yeah, it's just like this normal little tank top and super stretchy. Only thing is, I'm not sure if it's gonna shrink. If it shrinks, that's gonna suck. But I mean, I hope it doesn't. But yeah, the material is just super stretchy, super comfy, nothing like scratchy. Like it's just super, like really super cute. So obviously you can layer these, or you know, for the summertime, just wear them as is. But yeah, I was really excited about that. Okay, and for the last thing, I got these, like, I guess fake what are they called? Birkenstocks? I think that's what the shoes are called. But I got these white ones. These were like $7 to $8. And I mainly got these because I'm going to do a DIY on them. And yes, I saw the DIY on TikTok. So I don't think I would have bought this regularly. But basically, I saw this TikTok where this girl bought some Sharpies, and then ended up coloring like a cow print on them. And they came out really cute. So I really wanted to try them for $7. I think that's a pretty good deal. So if you're interested in that, that's gonna be my next video. I'm gonna DIY these and DIY some other stuff too. So if you are interested in that, please subscribe and check out my videos. I'll probably post them next week. But yeah, I'm really excited about that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please stay safe out there. I know a lot of things crazy right now, and we all have like different feelings and stuff. But yeah, just try to be safe. Try to make sure you make other people feel comfortable and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please subscribe. I'm posting 3 videos a week, fashion and makeup, and then I'll also sprinkle in some other stuff that I'm, you know, interested in. Follow me on Insta. I've really been trying to stay consistent, so I always post on my Insta, and then I've been posting on TikTok a lot as well. Follow me on Twitter, posting random stuff. So if you're into that, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.